Ne en moro ahinya ekar limbe makit Mikayi ei seme subcounty e kaunti ma Kisumu bang' ka nyaka nyithindo matindo ne owuok oko mar siro jowetegi maok nyal kod gik moko kaka taulo mag ria, sirueche kaachiel kod lewni. Roselyne Awiti ni kod ler mathoth.
Kaka yor bero ngima nyithindo manyiri makadhe achiedh nade e gwenge mag seme subcounty, nyasi mar Miss Kit Mikayi kod Mr. Kit Mikayi osebedo kachiwo gik mathoth ne nyithindo matindo mondo gikonyrego. Nyasino mibago higa ka higa nobagie kar limbe mar Kit Mikayi e seme, kendo noyuore ahinya kod nyithindo ma hikgi nitie bwo higni 16, kama nyadendi Aileen Akinyi ma wuon Nyasi lero ni otimo kamano e konyo jowetene ka en kod jowetene mamoko.
I have a dream of putting a smile on each young face. My target towards this noble activity is to shine hopes for the forgotten and less fortunate children in our societies. My focus towards girl child empowerment is by organizing more and more charity activities to boost their self-esteem and to face the world with courage. And I'd like to thank the stakeholders who helped me to make this day a successful. Let's clap for them. Thank you.
Jota chenrogo kotelnegi Stella Tande wacho ni achiedh nade makoro gikale en mana mar yudo sir mar omenda e keto chenrono higa ka higa ka opuoyo Mikayi Nyong'o e chwalo lwedo mar kony.
And we saw it wise, given that tomorrow is back to school, to organize this charity drive, whereby we are reaching out to school-going boys and girls by way of donating to them essentials needs to keep them in school. And this was triggered by the fact that seme is well known for the prevalences of teen pregnancies and school dropping. And these girls fall prey to this because maybe they lack the basic needs. So we saw it wise like to organize this charity drive so that we can reach out to those vulnerable children by giving them that so that they can be kept in school. And I thank Mama County for collaborating with us through the AfriPads organization that is based in Uganda that deals with reusable pads.
About Mr. and Miss Kit Mikayi event, it's an event that we came up with last year, 2020. We wanted to have a brand that will help in showcasing Kit Mikayi rock out to the whole world and promoting it as a tourist attraction site in Kisumu County. Apart from that, we also wanted to help children, girls and little boys with talents who are talented in showing their talents and helping them to achieve greater heights in modeling more so, because we believe as artists, we believe that modeling is also a career. In the new curriculum, all these talents are also careers that children can nurture and parents can help them nurture so that they can be people, notable people in the
Manager mar kar limbe no Margaret Kawala olero ni gigeto keto kar limbe no mondo ong'ere e piny mangima.
Last year we did Miss Kit Mikayi and Mr. Kit Mikayi 2020 and 2021. And we had a visual arts exhibition last year, the first one in Seme. And we know the center is going to develop into a resource for the community because we have seen artists, we have seen models, we have seen singers, we have seen those who are doing video, photography, and everybody is going to come on board. We have also our dancers, and we encourage people to come. We are going to have an event in December. We are asking the community to support the youth so that we can be able to generate funds through these events. Thank you.
Lolwe TV and Roselyne Awiti.